Are you a lover of yam? Come over here. This recipe is for you. This tasted so super delicious, yummalicious. Welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing amazing. Today I share how I prepare this delicious yam porridge. For this recipe, I'm using 1 tube of yam, okay? Depending on the quantity that you want to prepare. Yeah. So go ahead and cut your yam just the way I'm doing. Cut and peel. If today is the first time coming across our channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Guys, subscription is free of charge. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. So at this point, after cutting the yam, cut into any size of your choice, okay? You can make it big, you can make it small, you can make it more smaller. Yeah, it depends on your choice.
Anytime, any place where you live, Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Now that I'm done cutting the yam, I have to transfer it in a bowl of water. This helps stop the yam from changing color. Yes. Okay, so I added some salt. Make sure you wash the yam properly. So at this point, I make sure I wash the yam properly, okay? I wash it for almost 2 times. Yeah, that is me pouring it into my clean pot, getting ready to start cooking this delicious and yummalicious yam porridge.
Belly the turn, stomach the rumble.
I'm done adding the yam into a pot, so the next I went ahead to add some water to the level of the yam in the pot, and make sure you set your cooker on a medium heat. Now go ahead to season it up with some onions, chopped onions, okay? Feel free to add any ingredients of your choice. Here is oregano, okay? Add to your tastes. So I added some salt. Here is the cocoa of the cocos, that is crayfish. I added enough crayfish to this porridge, okay? Now it's time to add the seasoning cubes. So I added stonefish. You can skip this one, or you can add sardine, your mackerel fish, stockfish, so any protein of your choice.
Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
So for this recipe, I'm not going to be using red oil. Here is my leftover stew. Of course, we are not going to throw this stew away, right? So we have to use it in this recipe. So I added my stew. So after adding that, I gave it a nice stir. Feel free to check for salt or seasonings, okay? Feel free to adjust. Yes, I forgot to tell you. You can add your fresh pepper, okay? At this time, I skipped the pepper entirely because this food is meant for my kids, okay? So that is it. So that you know, I start asking me, you did not put pepper in this food. My brother, my sister, don't worry, don't worry. My kids requested for this porridge, so that's how I made it for them. The food tasted so good. Go ahead and cover and cook until it is well cooked, yeah, and soft. Some minutes later, I checked on the yam. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Yeah, I have to allow this yam to cook very well, soft. That if you are turning it, the yam will be breaking. I'll be pieces in anyone. So I added scent leaf. That is the leaf, frozen scent leaf. That is what I added here. So I have to cover it until the scent leaf dissolve. Okay, cook on a medium to low heat. Yeah. So now you can see the scent leaves is well dissolved. Yeah, everything is done. I gave it a nice stir. Hey, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you cannot resist it. I tell you, you cannot resist it. Check it out now. Check it out.
My brother, whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay.
Our porridge yam is ready. Serve and enjoy in whichever way you prefer. Guys, hope you find this video helpful. Hope you try out this recipe. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, you will not be disappointed in this recipe. It tasted so super delicious, yummy-licious. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next one, and remain blessed. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.